Hey, it's CarExamer here. We just here in a Fernham Hotel, and we here this Barnum 62 model here behind me. Reason I'm showing you this car is because the CarExamer also does supercars like this, yeah. And it's an awesome car. It's 5.4 liter mid-engine track day car. There's only 70 of those cars are made, and they actually, you can order them now, right? So we can actually check them cars for you. Well, not them brand new ones, but any sport cars you have in mind, what you're looking or desire, we can do. You can check out our options, what we can do for you. We're able to help you. This is why we are CarExamer. We can do anything from small cars to big cars, right? Anything from supercars to hypercars, and the Formula 1 cars will be rolling out soon, right? And because we are car mad, we're crazy, we love cars, we love them, right? The same as you do, you know? But you just need somebody, a buddy, a crazy people like we, to get those cars checked, you know? And the CarExamer is born. We'll be coming here for you. And extra options, car delivery to the home, and to and from other countries. VIP and diamonds will also be coming. Take care. Love your cars, guys, and we love them as well.